Hi guys, I'm back. I rebooted and here we are at 5.10.10. So everything is fine. We have the new wallpaper there. Cool. And I still need to do some stuff. What's this all about? Update. Remember we got variety that we removed. Let's take a look. This one. So S, ArcoLinux variety. Boom, install it again, guy. Don't bug me anymore. That's it. Now remember, this is not in your system. It's not in your home directory. It's actually in your etc skel. Want the setting? Type skel. Read about the article. There is the article. Ctrl-Alt-G. I hope it's still open. Or we can see in the history maybe. Ctrl-H. Here it is. ArcoLinux.com. Updating your system with skel and still keeping your home settings. This is actually here. Now what? I've installed everything. Things to do after first reboot. Whole article has been rewritten. Take a look. Skel. Here you can find everything you need to know about skel. That's the link. So, it seems I still need to update some things. Chromium has some problems here. Now that's not a problem. We just delete the stuff. But Chromium config. In here something is wrong for the little guy, the little chap. The default. Boof. By default, the whole folder is gone. So anyway, so the updates, right? The updates. Update. Ooh, that's responding slowly. This is coming from our own repos. Hence my surprise, because it's always super fast. Anyway, we should change the order a little bit, that on the top, but that's not the problem. Maybe just a glitch at the moment. But it says the thing here, it says it's red. Why is it red? Because you have packages from ArcoLinux, you have packages from, yeah, AOR. And there we go. So I still have things that I've thrown away already. AOR vote, Ctrl-X, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-C. I don't want AOR vote anymore. Sudo pacman -remove with all its dependencies as the S. If you don't break anything else, that's the point. With the S, install. Unless you break it, then you don't install it. That's a good idea, right? And then the CKB next git thing is not active. Don't think I see it here. No. So CKB next. I think we should rebuild it. So at this particular time, 4 months ago, we had lots of changes, and one of the changes is Python. Big change, right? Versions change, and yeah, it triggers rebuilds. Basically, you have to rebuild the package so it knows it's not version 3.6, it's version 3.7, and it's pointing to the right directory. So I'll probably need to rebuild CKB next git so I can show you. What it is it's a Corsair keyboard with colors, so lightning. You can set the colors in various themes. You can make your own themes. Not much to say. For the rest, it's sturdy. It's also has an article on ArcoLinux.com. You can have a look at the Corsair I'm using at the moment. It really is heavy. Well, when you hear me type on it, people say sounds good. The clicking sound, the typing sound. But basically, as long as it types, it's good for me. But it's good that it's light. It has lit. It is lit, because then, yeah, sometimes you forget to light the room and you keep on working because you can see the letters. You can see the keys. Alright, that's a long build. In the meantime, I'm gonna do something else. Guys, I haven't made any advertisement anywhere, just in this video. Sudo pacman -s. Surfen. I'm making a new theme, Surfen Plasma Dark Icons. There was also light icons, so if you make this bar light, then you take this one. If you take a dark menu and a dark toolbar, you take Surfen Plasma Dark Icons kit. Let's install it. It's relying basically on Breeze. So the idea is, let's make nice icons, but let's, oh yeah, let's have to break this process, because this guy needs to be built, right? This one was waiting for the other one, and the other one waiting for the other one. Nobody was doing anything, so I had to stop the right one. Where are you? There. So he's building, and that's done. So up all done, right? Oh no, we have to go over those also. But CKB something, CKB next. Of course, R key. We need to update and do this, fine, but I'm not gonna go there. Don't want it to be there. But you can boot it up, so it's enabled. It's gonna be always here. Right? Is not running, he says. I guess I need to do that, otherwise I can't show you. Sudo system ctl enable. It's always the same thing. What you want to enable? LightDM, SEDM, and now something else. Something with a C maybe and a K, and then tap. No. Let's see. CKB next. Start them. Is it already enabled? But not started. Okay. It's enabled, but it's not started. So this guy started up. Go, my friend, go. Haha, there you go. So this is my keyboard, and I can make it look like this. Fun. All these keyboards of keys are white, and here in the center it's red, and this is Dubois, right? Everything white, just plain simple. Trippy. This is all purple, and it's not changing colors, but it's all different kind of purple. This is a little bit strange. This is your keyboard that is breathing, so it goes to white and red and white and red, so it changes the color over time. And this, I think, is a standard one, which is the rainbow, yellow, blue. It goes away from left to right. All these colors change over your keys, except these four. And that's probably gonna be for gaming, right? Focus the keys there. So you can set these things. So it's available. It's on the AOR. You build it if you have one. All right. Surfen Plasma Dark. Let's set it to something different. Let's go to the icons. I do have a lot of icons. I seem to have a lot. Where's Surfen? Can't really see it. So this is Surfen Arc Breeze. Let's switch around between this guy and this guy. Now remember, in Breeze, it does not respond immediately. Sometimes it does the job 100%, but often it's 90% of the icons have changed and so on. So it's a bit lazy, let's say. Just reboot and it will be fine. I'm still looking at... Oh, I didn't install it, right? I didn't. I interrupted it. Yeah, I interrupted it. Poof. There we go. It's so simple, right? 1 second, not more. Boom, and it's there. That's what we like. That's what we love. But this will not reload it. You should have a button or something. Reload. But no, it's not gonna reload. You need to restart and go back to the icons. And then find your Surfen Plasma Dark. So this guy. Apply. So there you go. The plasma style, I like it arc dark at the moment. I'm gonna go for breeze dark, apply. So this bit down here is now breeze dark. Nice transparent. And all the rest I'm happy with, right? All the rest I'm happy with. So we have changed our icon theme. What else? This thing. What's this thing? This looks good, right? Super Shift Enter. That's this icon theme. I'm wondering if that's correct, actually. I think that should be Arc folders, but let's go into this first. Electron 5. Do we need it? Ctrl-Alt-T. Sudo pacman -rs. Do we need Electron 5? I think we're at number 9 or something like that. So, is there still an application on your system that requires it? No. We have just gained 137 megabytes of space. Next one. Is there a package that requires this thing? Nope, I can remove it. The other version? Nope, I can remove it. KDE PIM apps libs. Can I remove it? Yes, I can remove it. Otherwise they will tell you there are dependencies, this program needs this application and blah blah blah. You keep off. You can't uninstall it. 32 lib VA. I missed something. Ah, still it's good. 1. That's all I missed. Okay, can go. And then I have the second one, the next one, libva1 is already gone, which means I have, well, you can always do it again here. See the result. Just one more to go. Python 2, and that's for PyParted. Not needed anymore. Voila. We're all up to date. Have not done a scal, that's true. Boom, there it goes. Go read what it is. No frustrations later on. It makes backups, but it will overwrite some stuff. So I'm all up to date. These icons are not my icons, my choices. That's because we still need to reboot. That's typical about icons. Gonna have a look at this here, Surf and Arc Breeze. There you go, Surf and Breeze dark. That's the issue, I suppose. This is what I want. Apply this guy. So something down the road was wrong, and now I have to reboot, and then the Arc folders will come back. So guys, I'm up to date. This is Dropbox without an icon. We'll be back later on. And this one is a setting actually. Configure Yakuake. I don't want to see the system tray icon. Bye. System tray icon is gone. F12, 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 F12. That's that. But I don't want to see an icon here. Doesn't need to be there. What's this thing? Instant messaging. Clipboard contents, volume, Bluetooth, microphone, I'm busy, internet, and all the rest is normal. And our little Corsair icon. All right. We're again rolling 4 months later. I updated an SSD and we're still having fun. Everything works fine. You can install so much more. But basically, guys, keep rolling. Try to keep rolling. And if you fail, that's no problem. That's no shame in that. Reinstall it. Clean install. Again, try to keep rolling. That's the fun. All right. Cheers.